Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sync your OneDrive to your computer. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm using a support article. This is just because it's more convenient for me. However, these instructions are quite clear, so just follow them and everything should be fine. Now, one thing to note is that OneDrive is, of course, Microsoft's own cloud service, and as such, it is automatically installed on Windows 11, and I don't think it's automatically activated. I know 100% it's automatically installed. Might be the same for Windows 10. I cannot guarantee it. I do know I had it on my device a long time ago. However, I have not activated it, and I don't know if I installed it by accident. However, what you want to do if you want to connect it is just pretty much sign up by going into your search tab on your computer and then just searching for OneDrive, clicking on it and logging in, and everything should be already synced up. However, there is another option if you want to do it manually and you cannot do it any other way, and that is, of course, to select start and then type OneDrive and select OneDrive. And yeah, that's pretty much what I told you. Just select OneDrive and then log into OneDrive and everything should be fine. Now you have the option to disable it. That's what I was thinking of. And you can go into the bottom right of your screen on your taskbar and you should see the OneDrive icon, which is pretty much just a cloud icon. Click on that and go into more and go under settings, and then from there you can unsync your OneDrive, and from what I know you can also sync it back in right there, or you might need to just relog again the same way you did before and everything should be fine. But yeah, that's pretty much the way you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.